Hi, Debbie. It's Tony over here in Sarasota. We spoke earlier today, and I mentioned I wanted to shoot you over this video, so here it is. What I wanted to do for you guys today was go over 3 tips to help you increase your online presence in a way that will actually help you generate some additional business via your website. This is something I do for free for small businesses. The only thing that I ask is if you find any value in this, just reply to the email and give me any feedback you might have. It helps me out a ton. So what I want to do right out the gate is go over content, citations, and backlinks. So let's start with content. So on your site here, the content is just the words and images on your homepage. We suggest having 2,000 words on your homepage. Google really does value content. It wants to give its end users the best experience it can, and the way that really happens is via content. So I think you guys are a bit shy of the 2,000. If I copy all the words and come out here, you're at about 1,300. That's not bad, in all honesty. You're doing pretty good. And the site looks great. I like the fact you got your clickable phone number up here, because a lot of people are searching via phones now, so that makes it easy for them to call you. And overall, I'm liking what you guys are doing here. So yeah, let's go over here, and I did a search for roofers Gainesville, Florida in Google, and the top ranking person in your organic results here is this Worthman. So if we jump over to them and look at their website, I think you might even have more content than these guys do. Let's do a quick copy and see what the word character count says. Yeah, so you guys have these guys like doubled up. So you're beating them in that ranking factor, but they've got to be beating you in elsewhere. And oops, that was not meant to happen. One quick thing that I forgot to mention with content is the more content you have, the easier it is to get keywords in. These are considered keywords, like roofing company in Gainesville. Roofers, Gainesville, FL, what I searched here, that would be a keyword as well. So if you have a lot of content, but you don't have keywords, that's not doing you a whole heck of a lot of good. And that's the reason I wanted to bring that up. So that's content. Let's go over here again. So after doing this search, what you get here towards the top is the paid ads, right? Google's trying to make its money. I don't really want to go over those today, though. What I do want to focus on is right below here. This is called the Google Map Pack. This is super important for small businesses like yourself. About half of the search volume is going to call or click one of these top 3 listings. People just assume that the folks at the top are the best. So Worthman Roofing is the best roofer in Gainesville, is what they're thinking. I don't know if that's true. I doubt that all 3 of these are the best, in ranked 1 through 3. But what they have figured out how to do is to rank up here. And the main way to do that is through something called citations. Citations are just your company name, company name, address, and phone number out on directory sites. These are sites like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List. You get yourself listed on more of these sites, and over time your listing will start ranking higher in this area. Just be sure that you're being consistent with the way that you're inputting the data. So below that, this is called the organic area. These are more affected by what are called backlinks. And backlinks are just a clickable version of your website URL out on another website. It's important that you understand that not all backlinks are created equal, though. Some can actually be detrimental. You want to try to get backlinks from trusted websites, and you want to make sure those backlinks, if at all possible, come from websites that are in the same niche as yourself. You're not going to find that that's doable all the time, but if you can get those, they're even stronger for you. So for you, an example would be like a home improvement site. Say that they have a blog. You could provide them a blog article about roofing, and oftentimes the website owner will give you a link back to your website from their site for providing them with content, because they want to keep their site active. So that's just an example and an idea for you. So what I want to do actually is take Worthman Roofing here. They're the #1 in this particular search. Put them over here into Ahrefs. Ahrefs does a good job of estimating what Google knows about a website, so it shows a lot of stats. What I want to focus on are these 3 really. Referring domains is how many websites actually are backlinking to this site, and that's 86. They're being found for 368 keywords, and that's driving about 329 clicks to their site according to this tool. If we look at the same stats for your website, we are going to see about 25 referring domains, 44 keywords, and about 97 clicks per month. Now, I'm going to drill into these keywords for you just so you understand what kind of things you're being found for. So you're mostly being found for your company name, and that's fine, but that means they were already searching for you. So you're not gaining a lot of value for that. Your website, the way you gain value is being found for these kind of keywords right here, which is the niche and then the city. That's searched 150 times a month. You're in position 8 for this, and you're getting about 6 clicks. If you get up to position 1 for this, you're going to get about 30% of this volume. Right now, you're getting well less of that. And there's a lot of variations. So Gainesville, roofing companies, roofing contractors, Gainesville. So you'll see all of these. So if you were ranking high for all of these variations, all of a sudden your 90-some traffic goes up to 300. And again, most of your traffic is coming from your company name, which, that's fine. You want to rank for that, but you want to rank for the buyer intent keywords is what I want to call these here. So you'll see what your opponent, your competitor here, I guess you could look at him as an opponent. All of these various buyer intent keywords, they're ranking number 1 for. And look at all this traffic. So they're being found for these keywords in first place, and that's driving a ton of additional traffic that is not their company name. It's nice, again, to search for your company name, but again, that traffic's already coming to you anyway. So I hope that makes sense. If this was useful to you, I would, again, love a little bit of feedback. And, obviously, I hope that I gave you some tools to help you help yourself. But in case this isn't something you guys want to take on yourselves, but you do want to help rank your site a little bit more, that's what I do for a living. Again, I'm out here in Sarasota. So I'd be happy to talk about it and see if I could be of service. So with that, I will let you go. Debbie, thank you for watching if you have. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.